Emotional intelligence begins with one simple skill. Have you ever watched your child have a complete meltdown over the wrong color cup? Probably it isn't about the cup at all. It's about a feeling that they don't have words for inside of them. Children are born with feeling emotions to the max. They are not born to understand what these emotions are. So imagine being overwhelmed by fear or disappointment or anger or jealousy and frustration and not ever understanding or having the words to explain it. What childhood feels like is exactly that. When we help children name their emotions, we begin to calm their brain down. Okay, so the feeling doesn't disappear, but it becomes understandable because then the child can understand and manage what's happening to them eventually. Young children, they don't have a fully developed brain like yours and like mine. They have different brains that are developing. Their emotional brain develops first. That's why logic rarely works with meltdowns. So when your child is totally overwhelmed, trying to make sense of the situation and going logical is not going to work. They don't need a lecture, they don't need anything, they just need connection. They need you to look into their eyes straight and say, I see you are upset. So instead of saying, stop crying, it's not okay, I told you not to do that, say something like, I see you're frustrated, I see you're angry, I'm sorry you're feeling so bad, I see you. By doing that, you're helping your child identify with the emotion they're feeling and what's happening. When children hear their emotions reflected back to them, when you're talking back to them, they begin to recognize them inside themselves. So eventually they'll say, I'm angry, instead of throwing a toy at you or at someone. That is called emotional intelligence. And they learn that by watching you do it. Now, talking about feelings every day is really important. Try to do that. At breakfast time, for example, you can ask something like, what are you feeling today? How do you feel at this moment? Is this your happiest moment? Are you feeling tired? Are you feeling frustrated? Play guessing games as well. Use emotion with guessing games. Guess what I'm feeling right now. Do I look happy? And make a smile. Do I look angry and make a frown? I feel excited, I feel frustrated, I feel emotional, and get your children to learn this language. Summer brings heat, it brings a change of routine, it brings less sleep, and it brings more stimulation, which means more emotions. So please lower your expectations for your little ones. Remember that a child who's struggling isn't giving you a hard time. He did not wake up with the intention to ruin your day. He's just not wanting to rush out and deal with everything that's coming at him. There's a lot of emotions going on. Feelings aren't problems to fix. They're messages to understand. So the question is, what is my child telling me? Is he tired? Is he hungry? Help him identify the emotion and give him the words. Things like, I'm sad, I'm worried. You've given him this gift of communication if you practiced it with him all summer. Emotional intelligence doesn't begin at university. That's a fact. It begins in childhood, one conversation at a time. If you find this helpful, please share this video with someone else that it can benefit, and share with me some of these intelligent conversations full of emotions during the summer.